Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this short tutorial we will review how you can pick up image with image literal. So we will talking about image literal subject in our Xcode. So in Xcode you have possibility to pick up image when you doing your coding. So let me do it and show you how easy it is, and you can use it in your source code to speed up picking image in your code. Sometimes you miss, you have to check text, or type of text of your image, but by this way you don't have to do it. So I just say my image c dot image. Just in top I create one UI image by the name of image c. So here when I want to add image, here I just say image. As soon as I type this part, I will get some offer. One of them is image literal. So when I choose this one, you will have something like this. And when you click on this, actually double click, you will have all of image which you have in assets or you have in projects. You don't have to be in assets, it could be in a project, and you can choose any of them, or you can click on other to browse and get more option. Yeah, and when you choose each of them, then you will have a small of picture of it on it. So anytime you click, then you can change it. It's something, some feature from Xcode for you, and it's, I believe, from Xcode 8.3 dot something after you have this feature. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tricks like this, and also other useful tutorial which fully done project from A to Z. And if you have any comment, please leave it in comment area, any question, and I will be more than happy to help. And also yeah, I wish the best for you and have a good one. Bye bye.